Hello, Mars Humans!
Today is another episode of Ano ang Sigaw ng Mars U.
Mula sa puso, para sa bayan.
Ako si Leia Jane Rodas,
And I am Line Darlene.
and we are going to ask Mars U students about why learning PE is important. PE fitness. We've all been there, right? Some of us love it, some of us maybe not so much. Pero have you ever thought about how it really affects our life beyond just the exercise?
Kaya naman, let's take a closer look and discover why PE is more than just a subject in school.
Ang ating tanongin ng ating mga volleyball players kung ano ang naiitulong ng PE sa kanila.
Good day po ulit. Pwede niyo po ba na i-introduce muna ang inyong mga sarili bago tayo dumako sa aming mga katanungan?
Ay, ako po si Jasrel Flores. Ako po si Justin Lay M. de Guzman.
Ako po si Kyle Robles.
Okay, thank you po. So, para po sa aking first question, bakit ba importante ang pag-aaral ng PE?
Para sa akin, PE is important because it keeps me active. Hindi lang siya about physical side, but it also clear my mind. After practice, I feel more focused, tapos I feel more energized.
Uy, same. Kasi po, it also teaches me discipline. May mga times na feeling ko pagod, tamad, pero yung PE, it pushes me to keep going and it feels great dahil alam ko na every time may improvement ako.
Tama! It's like multitasking for your body and brain. So, ikaw naman, ano sa tingin mo bakit mahalaga ang pag-aaral ng PE?
Para sa akin naman, PE is all about learning how to manage pressure. Yung pressure sa game, pwede ko siya madala sa mga iba't aspect ng buhay ko, tulad ng dealing with deadlines or school activities.
Sports to individual disciplines. Physical education offers a wide range of activities. Let's take a look at gymnastics where flexibility, agility, and focus are
Gymnast, it's all about precision and risk. Pero tanungin natin sila kung paano nakakatulong ang PE sa healthy life. So, paano ba nakakatulong ang PE sa mga gymnast na katulad nyo?
Gymnastics really help us develop strength and flexibility. Pero ang pinaka-benefit para sa amin is the ability to control our body. Yung coordination. It's something na natutunan ko sa PE and it's really important in gymnastics. Control and flexibility.
Paano naman siya nakakatulong sa overall health nyo?
Naging injury-free kasi PE taught us proper techniques and yung stretchings and warm-ups na tinuro sa PE, yun yung nagpa-prevent sa mga injuries. And kasi sa gymnastics, we really push our bodies. Hindi lang performance improvement, kundi prevention of injuries din. Thank you sa inyong dalawa at ngayon naman, paano naman kaya nakakatulong ang PE sa mga regular na estudyante? Let's find out!
Good afternoon guys. So, anong pangalan niyo po?
I'm Hazel Guerina. I'm Alia Rose Liag.
I'm Sandan Soleta.
Hindi lahat ng estudyante ay active sa sports pero malaking bahagi pa rin ng PE sa health natin. Ano nga ba ang impact ng PE sa inyo?
PE helped me with focus. Yung physical activity kasi, after you exercise, you feel more energized and alert. Sa studies ko, mas focus ako, lalo na sa long study hours.
So, PE helps with mental clarity and focus too.
Oo, and kahit hindi ako athlete, it helped me maintain my physical health. Yung mga exercises na tinuturo sa PE like stretching or simple cardio, nakakatulong siya para hindi ako maging sedentary.
I agree. Physical activity really helps prevent health problems, lalo na sa mga sedentary lifestyle na uso ngayon. Paano naman sa mga stress? Guys?
Sobrang helpful. Yung sa PE class, kahit na mahabang araw ng lessons, nagbibigay siya ng me time for myself, and yung sa stress naman, nawawala siya after ng exercise. Just like, parang reset na rin for my mind and my body.
So, PE is a stress reliever. I love it. So, kahit hindi sports, it really helps us in different ways.
So guys, I see you're enjoying your stuff. But let's get real. How was PE actually help you? Did you think it would be this useful? Honestly, before, akala ko PE was just a break from all the schoolwork. Parang, ay PE na naman. Pero after a few classes, I realized na may benefits pala ito kasi I didn't know how bad my posture was until we did exercises. Oo, kasi I always slouch when I'm on my phone or laptop. Tapos after PE, natutunan ko kung paano mag-sit properly. And I noticed na less yung back pain ko. Para na rin ako may life hack sa katawan.
Same here. I used to think I have a good posture, but no. When we did PE, I actually had so much fun, and I never thought cardio would be this enjoyable.
Wait, so cardio as fun? I never thought I'd hear that. So, PE really changed your exercise?
Yes, PE became my therapy. With our hectic schedule and a lot of activities, it became my rest and my energy booster.
It's nice to hear that. So, thank you very much, guys, for
Mula sa puso, para sa bayan.